Okay, what's the amplitude? What's the A? 4. What's the B? Yeah. And so, okay, what's the formula for period? 2 pi over B. But because we know the B is 6/5. Okay, no calculator though. Okay, since I know it's going to be 2 pi 6 over 5, what's the period going to be without reducing it yet? Look at it. What is it going to be?
4.
Without reducing, just this thing. With knowing the reciprocal property, what is it going to be? Huh? What's the reciprocal of 6 over 5? So multiply. What do you get? Huh? 10 over, right. That's it. So if now, okay, so now if you simplify that, I'm going to get 5 pi over 3, right? So you know that's 5 pi over 3. So now you want to get the fourth, you want to get the half, and then we're going to get the other half, right? Okay, so what's half of 5 pi over 3? What's half of 5 pi over 3? Right. And so what's half of 5 pi over 6? Right. 5 pi over 12. Okay, so that means if I want 14 points and this is 0 and the first one is 5 pi over 12, every single one of them, what are you adding? 5 pi over 12. So what would this one be?
5 pi over...
No, you added the numerator. I'm sorry. You added the denominator. You add the numerator. You don't mess with the denominator. So what would it be? What'd you say? 10 pi over 12. Each length is 5 pi over 12. So what's this one? 15 pi over 12. What's this one? That's it. What's this one? 25 pi over 12. This was a fractions quiz. The test is a fractions test. And then once you get these numbers, can you put them into the calculator? That's it. You got to know how to use a half, and you got to know how to reciprocal. You're welcome to do it on the calculator, but you should have some intuitive math to like, because 6th period the kids were like, is this right? And I'm like, I can tell you that, it's a quiz. And they're like, but is it right? And I said, look, intuitively, you should have red flags going off. So say, for instance, this one, they had like, it was the other one, but they had a 2 and a 3. And I'm like, you guys have a 5. Like, 5 isn't a multiple of 2 or 3, so how could you cancel, like, cancel it out, reduce it out, divide it out? Like, you guys should have some math intuition of like, wait, that's a 5. That's an odd number. I have like a 2 and a 3. 5 isn't a multiple of them. How did it go away? And that's your red flag that you guys should start looking at and paying attention to your numbers. Your calculator's fine, but you guys should kind of read off, because we all make mistakes pushing buttons. You should have some sort of clue on your numbers. And that's it. And you plug it into the calculator, and easy. This was more of a tedious quiz or assessment or test tomorrow, because it's just you on the calculator inputting. But once you get the function in, like 4 cosine 6/5, and then times, and then I plug in 0, I get that. And then I go back and I type in 5 pi. Is it showing? Oh no, sorry. 5 pi is because I had to see the chart. 5 pi over 12, or what was it? Yeah. And then there's my answer. And if I go back and I go Right, and say I wanted to do another one, there I get that answer. I mean, I had kids who knew how to cut, so they were willing to do that. It depends how comfortable you are with that. The more comfortable you are with it, you understand how to cut, and you're not working off 90s and 45s, but you can do more than 45s. Okay. Okay, the